on guys, Steve again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. Haven't forgotten about the L400 Cen Reeper build, just waiting on some parts for the engine. But what I thought I'd do in the meantime is I'd show you my setup for the gearbox. I have two servos working. You got first, neutral, second, and you have third, neutral, and reverse. And look at my cool new motor. Now it's just a drill. Now I set it all up so I can show you what's happening. So at the moment, I have these little toggle switches here for first, second, and third, and a little one on the side here, little switch there for third, neutral, and reverse. So if I do this now, it should all be in neutral. As you can see, nothing spinning. If I click on this, that's in first. Click it again, it'll go to neutral. Hit it again, it'll go to, as you can see, it'll go to second. Hit it back down again, that'll be going into neutral now. Now if I click this little rotating wheel, that's in third, as you can see. Roll it back, that'll be in neutral, and hit it back again, reverse. Pretty cool, eh? Let me zoom it in so I can show you. So it's in neutral now. That's first. Neutral. Second. Neutral. Third. Neutral. Reverse. Third. Reverse. Works pretty well. You're obviously going to get the gear ratio and everything set up once the motor's in there. We never know until we try, eh? So first, neutral, second. Works pretty well. So there we go there. Quick video, just wanted to show you that. You know, haven't forgotten about it, just waiting on some parts, but there we go. Hope you guys liked it. Any questions, leave them down below, and see you soon.